In this video, I'll show you how to add USDT BEP20 to Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if someone tells you to send your USDT BEP20 address for him or her, what you're going to do now, you're going to come onto your Trust Wallet, click on this Manage Crypto. Once you have clicked on it, come on here and type in the USDT, right? Once you have typed in the USDT, we are going to look for USDT BEP20. So the USDT BEP20 is the USDT BNB smart chain, right? So if someone tells you to send him or her your Trust Wallet, your USDT BEP20 address, this is when to send the person, right? Click on this, turn it on. Once you have turned it on, you'd go back. You can see I've just added it up to my Trust Wallet right now, and you're gonna come on here to copy the address and send to the person. This is your USDT BEP20 wallet address. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next